everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone's voice on your Xbox Series X. So maybe you're in a game lobby with them, or maybe you're in a party chat with them. You can always go to their player profile and you can mute their voice on that. So you can press the Xbox button, tab on over to people using R1, and then scroll on down. So we can go to recently played with, and we can maybe find a person under here. Maybe they're still in our game lobby or something like that. But we can select their profile, and if you look, there's an option just to mute. So we can mute their voice right here. So you can do this in the voice chat. You just have to go to that person's profile. So if we go on down to where it says Timbo Slice right here and select it. If we were in a voice chat with them, we can just go to mute. Otherwise, we can go to see profile right here. And we have the options to mute them right here as well. And if you're in the same voice chat, it's going to be a little bit easier. So if I go on over to Starter Party right here, open this up, we're going to have options to mute them under here. We have mute everybody, or we can go to that person's specific name, and then we will have an option to mute them. So just hit the down arrow. There will be an option to mute right there. Otherwise, we can go to mute everyone, or you can press the X button right here. You can see it says press X to mute everyone. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.